Yo, what is going on, guys? Kramer Plays YT back here again with another video, and today we are going to be showing you how to add an end screen to your YouTube video or an outro. Now, this is pretty simple. As you can see, you're going to need a computer, and you're going to need a YouTube channel and a YouTube video. So first off, what you're going to want to do this is log in to YouTube. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in there. So once you're in YouTube, you're going to want to press your channel icon right over here. So it's hard to keep the camera still, guys, because I'm going to hold it because it's hard to get a different view. So once you're onto the channel icon, you're going to want to press your channel. Then what you're going to want to press is, once you're in all your videos that you can see, you're going to want to press videos right here. What you need to do. And then you need to scroll down. Scroll down to what video you want to add. I am going to show you what an end screen actually is. So if I just, for example, just go into here, and then go to the end right here. So this is an end screen where you can see your channel icon, which makes you be able to subscribe a lot easier. And if they click on one of these, you get another view on that video. Now, if you're looking for more views, likes, and subscribers, this is the video for you. So make sure you keep watching all the way to the end. So what you're gonna want to do, from how far I was in videos, I'm going to want to add an end screen to how to make an iron golem in Minecraft 2019 tutorial.
Here again with another
so, there we go. I just paused it. So what we're going to do from here is scroll down. You need to have a computer, by the way. You cannot do this on phone. These buttons will not be there on mobile. So you're going to want to press... There's analytics and edit video. You're going to want to press edit video. If that's going to want to load. There we go. So now from here, it's pretty simple. What you're going to want to do is, all this stuff here this is my description, this is my title, this is my thumbnail right here. You can add a custom thumbnail too from this screen. So as you can see, end screen down here under cards, you're going to want to click end screen right here. And from here, you're going to press, wait, I got to exit that out. Alright, from here you're going to want to press this.
Make this big fat thing.
You're just going to want to watch through your whole video. I already know what it is, so just make sure you want it in your video before you do it. So YouTube recommends about 20 seconds. So as you can see right here, it's 1 minute and 26 seconds to 1 minute and 46 seconds of the end screen. So then you're going to want to click add element. So click that. Once you have done that, you're going to want to press whatever one you want. You can promote another channel, or you can add a link to the end screen. You can add your own videos, or you can promote your own channel. So I'm going to first do that. So create, and that will pop up. Your channel icon, which is clickable, as I showed you. And I like putting it right there. So you could actually move it around, as you can see. So I like putting it right around there. And then if you want your videos to show up, you're going to want to press add element again. And then press create. And then you can click most recent upload, which means it will show them your most recent upload. I'm actually going to press that. And then create element. Now you can put this video. Where's my mouse? Oh, there it is. You can put this video wherever you want. I'm going to put it up in this top corner. As high as it will go, I think right there. And then I'm going to add element again just for one more video on my end screen. I'm going to put choose. So this means you can choose your video. And if you cancel this right here, if I go in here, best for viewer means it's like the one that's recommended. YouTube will do that for you. It will recommend a video. So choose a video. I'm going to do it, and I'm going to choose a video. I'm going to choose this video because this is probably one of my favorite videos, how to add an intro. This is pretty much how to add an outro. So now create element right here. Sorry if the camera's very shaky. And now, oh yeah, so I forgot to tell you guys this. You cannot have your videos on your channel icon. You have to move that. Forgot to do that. So now we're good. Now that we're all in, both videos showing up, this channel icon, we can now save. Now it's saved. And now we're all good. This is how you add an end screen. And just to show you how it works, and just to show you it does work, I am going to now back out of YouTube Studio. So just type in youtube.com, and then here I'll just go over my channel, and then your channel, and then I'll go to, oh yeah, videos. And then you're going to want to click on the video just to see if it worked.
And today,
and so I'm just going to press pause. So right around here. So it did work. Here it is. And you can click on one of the videos right here, and it will take you right to that video. And now I'm on the other video. So that's how this works, guys. Please like and subscribe and comment down below what my next how-to video should be. That will be it. So please like and subscribe. It would help so much, guys.